how to fix the touchpad settings not showing up on your Windows 11 computer. So if your touchpad is not working or the settings are just not showing up, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this issue. Now, the first step is to open up your Start menu. You could then search for Device Manager and click on this window here. Now, click on the drop-down arrow next to Human Interface Devices, and you should be able to find your touchpad from the list. Now, simply go in, right-click on it, and click on Update Driver. Click on Search Automatically for Drivers, and if you get this message that says the best drivers are already installed, then come back over to the previous window, click on Browse My Computer for Drivers, click on Let Me Pick from a list of available drivers. Now select the HID compliant touchpad and click on Next, and then you can check to see if it solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, open back up the Start menu and click on Settings. In the left-hand side, click on Bluetooth and Devices, and then you'll need to scroll down and click on Touchpad. Make sure the touchpad is turned on and enabled like this. Click on the drop-down arrow and also turn on Leave Touchpad on when mouse is connected. Once you've done this, you can check if that solves the issue. Now, if you have tried these steps and the settings is still missing, the final solution is to open up the Start menu, search for CMD, and then right-click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Now, from this window, go and type in SFC space / scan now and then press enter. Now, this is going to perform a full Windows scan of all of your core system files. So you'll just need to wait for this verification to get to 100%, and if any corrupted or damaged files are found, it will automatically be repaired in this window here. So once this is finished, you can go in, close out of this window. You can then restart your computer, and that should have solved the touchpad issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.